this is Sandra with the Mortgage Center in beautiful downtown Guelph. Another Mortgage Monday. This Mortgage Monday is related to my bank won't finance my secondary property or my second property. What do I do? Well, it is so difficult now to qualify for any type of mortgage given the regulatory changes that have happened in January 1st. If you're looking for the best rates on the market through a bank or a wholesale bank, you're now going to need to qualify on the stress test rate, which is typically 2% higher than the rate that you're getting on the mortgage commitment or the contract. So it is extremely challenging to qualify for a mortgage, especially if you're buying another home or a rental property. Mind you, we can use some of the rental income off of the property that you're going to be buying if it's a rental property, but typically it's only 50 to 80% of that rental income, which may not put you above the debt ratio requirement or below the debt ratio requirement. So what do? Obviously, call a mortgage broker because we have options. Sometimes we can go to a credit union and they don't actually qualify people based on the stress test rate. They're qualifying people on the rate that you're getting on the contract. We can look at alternative lenders. There are some financial institutions that will look at extended debt ratios. In both cases, you're probably not going to get a rate that of under 4%, depending on the term. So you want to make sure that if you're buying the rental property, that you're using a rate somewhere between 4.5% and 7%. Now I know that you say that that's such a wide range. Once we get all of your information, and that's another important point, make sure you've got all of your documents together for income verification, T1 generals, financial statements if you're self-employed. We want to make sure we get to the bottom of what the interest rate is going to be so that you can calculate the payment and calculate the cash flow. Make sure that you're prepared because things are going to move fast. Because if you've already gone to your bank and you've put an offer on the house and they've declined you, now we've got a short window to meet that financing condition. My recommendation would be, why bother even going to the bank? Just come to us and we'll be able to help you and work out any of the details so you know exactly what property you should be buying, what price range, and whether or not it will be cash flow positive given the interest rate you have. Check us out at www.skipthebank.ca. We'd love to help you. And I'm signing off now for another Mortgage Monday.